Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you WorldRemit bank authentication failed how to fix. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Some of the common causes of authentication failures are error can happen because of multi-factor authentication issues like OTP or verification code failing, incorrect or mismatched personal details like name, phone number, and addresses, and temporary technical problems on WorldRemit system or bank's side, and SMS or OTP delivery problems from your network or wrong number. So in order to fix it, what you need to do first is check your verification or OTP. Make sure your mobile number is correct and active. If you didn't get the code, request a new one and enter the code quickly, most expiring about 15 minutes. If the code still doesn't work, wait a few minutes and then try again. The next fix that you can use is double check your details. WorldRemit checks your account info against your bank details and identity. Make sure your name, date of birth, and address on WorldRemit match what your bank has on file. If something is wrong, update your WorldRemit profile under My Details by heading over to the account section and in the app or on the website. If you can't edit something like your phone number, simply reach out to WorldRemit support to update it. The next fix that you can try is try again later or refresh. Sometimes the problem is just temporary glitch with the WorldRemit system, your bank server, the network connection. Simply close and reopen the app, and you can also check by simply heading over to the App Store and on the search bar typing a WorldRemit and then simply tap on the app and check to see if the app needs an update or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issues that you're facing, so just simply updating the app to the latest version will fix your issue. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.